Hey babes, welcome to the Happiness Heals channel. My name is Miss T. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back. Today we're doing a budget with me as I put together my August budget calendar. I'm super excited about the start of the new school year. Even though my daughter has graduated from grade school, she'll be starting college next month and we need to be prepared for that. We're going to start with putting in date dots, and I'm using this set that I have from an old Happy Planner sticker book. I'm really not sure which one I pulled this from. You can really use any date dots that you might have from any prior projects. I have filled in all of my dates for the month, and now I'm going to get started with filling in my bills. So let me pull out my planner cake kit. These are the boxes left over from my recent August kit. I'm going to use this to fill in my expenses for the month. Actually, before I go further with that, I want to note my paydays. So let me take one step back and put my paydays on the calendar before I put in my budget expenses. So my paydays are August 7th, and August 21st. Now that I've put in my paydays on the budget calendar, I want to go ahead and note the days where I have expenses due. So I no longer have the Metro PCS payment for my daughter because she switched to Verizon. So we have a different pay date that I will add later on. These are my due dates. Now I'm going to write in what each bill is for a particular day. And then let me see about co-pays for the month of August. Those are the co-pays that we have so far for the month. My household amount I will put in once I tally up our bills, my daughter's tuition outlet, and also I don't have to necessarily budget that in, but I do want to account for it on my calendar to just make sure we have it paid and taken care of by the due date. I think that's it actually. I think those are all of the expenses that we have so far for the month of August. We're going to do some decorating. I figured I'd use the teacher seasonal sticker book from the Happy Planner with, of course, a school theme since this month is all about going back to school. I need to think about it just to make sure I'm capturing everything in terms of expenses and budgeting. I need to put something here and something here for hotel expenses. I don't know what those will be for now, but I do want to budget for that. Driving home that Friday and basically resting up for the following week. Let me finish up my decorating. I think that is it in terms of my decorating for this pay period. I just want to, oh, nope, it's going to ruin the paper. Never mind. So I enjoy this cute little back to school theme. I think it's very cute. I need to write in my goals for the month. I have my goals written out for this month. I have my bills taken care of and prioritized. Now I need to create a color key at the top so that I can figure out exactly what bills are associated with which pay period. That is my August budget calendar. I'm super excited about being able to organize things, get my sinking funds and expenses in order and restored so that I can have a productive and great end of the year. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you'll be informed the very next time we have something to share on the Happiness Heals channel. Ciao!